You're watching Meow Squad. Subscribe, like, and share my channel. Hey guys, Meow Squad here. That's my intro for now because I don't know how to make it. Intro screenshot magic. So hard. Anyways, yeah. My chat has temporarily changed to bubble chat due to violation of Animal Jam rules. Guys, I didn't do anything. I just said I got my dream item, because yeah, I did get my dream item. Everyone's jamming me now. Oh, yeah, forgot. Sorry. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to show you how to create your look. So get your favorite animal. Don't ask why I have really any animals. I have a habit of getting rid of some, so that's great. Anyways, get your favorite items. And I'm starting with tail items, because why not? Of course, I love peacock tail. Beautiful. Okay. Go to your shoes. I have no shoes. Great. Just save that for a little later. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. That's why I have three of them. Three different colors. I lost my spike a couple days ago trying to get boop peacock feathers, so that's great. Boom. Okay, look. Okay, I'm taking the scarf off. Actually, we're removing all these items. First, guys, we gotta get our items. Oh my god. The egg cloak. Why you do this to me? So guys, get your feet armor. Not that though. Like some shoes I'm fine with. You have to talk this whole video. Cause I lost my talking abilities. Just because I said thank you. Because I got my dream item at that time. At that moment, and then I ran out of time on the internet. And then the next day when I come on, I'm like, oh my god. Why? Did someone like report me just because I was excited I got my dream item? I mean, I didn't get reported when I got too excited as a member now. As a member, because that day I just became a member. But like, seriously, that's like the dumbest reason to report me, first of all. Anyways, get your peacock feathers. Oh, you don't have any clothing items, huh? Huh? Get something. Get like an egg cloak or something. Just kidding. Don't get an egg cloak. No one likes egg cloaks. Or do they? Illuminati confirm. Okay. Or go to Epic Wonders or Diamond Shop, because that's where I sometimes find my clothing armor. Yep, let's go. Let's go to Diamond Shop. Is it me or is it really quiet? Like in Jamal. Everyone's quiet. Guys, this is scary. I don't know why I'm looking right here, but hey. There might be something cool. Also, use the princess gown, the black and the red color. Like, if you want to be a personal maid, use that. Okay, people can get double spring ribbon bows, but they can't get this. I mean, all bows are non-member except for that one. It makes no sense. No, not the diamond shop. Let's go check this next place. Oh my god. I didn't mean to click the trade list. Sometimes I do mean to click the trade list. I just wanted to click the trade list. Maybe I want to see what they have on trade. Why does it take me forever to go into that place? Epic Wonders. Okay, guys, let's see what spring items they have here. Wait, guys, there's no spring items here. Whatever. I'm going for clothing items. If you want, you can have a fancy tuxedo. Or you can have some golden dragons. You can only have that if you're rich. Some golden bow and arrows, which is also very expensive. Ask me. And of course, I can't afford any of this. So guys, don't ever do this. But since this is a video and I'm not spending a whole video, I might spend a whole video just gathering some gems. I gotta kind of recycle that. Just kidding. It's my maid outfit, guys. Actually, I kind of like this. Oh, what to get rid of? I don't really like pink and purple, but I might give one of those to Sushi. Whatever, I guess I'll just get rid of those. Just to get fancy tuxedo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay guys. We need necklace, not necklace, a neck item, a hat, you're good to go. Okay. I'm laughing right now, this is hilarious. Oh guys. Okay, I'm done. There we go. Here's my outfit. Just kidding. Okay. Hey, someone got egg sold clothing. Buttons. Get the joke. Anyways, like I said, don't have many. Actually, did I even say this? Dun, dun. I can't get rid of Sir Gilbert's armor. It's my friend's memory who quit the game. I can't do that. Oh my god, yo, we got that baby shark. Okay, I know I already checked the diamond shop, but hey, we gotta check it again, I guess. Oh my god, is it me or everyone's too silent? I'm about to pull up one of my non-member accounts and just like see if people are actually talking, cause like one of my thing, and like usually people's like shop my den. Bro, I can't see your message. Your message. Can you say that again? No. Guys, I can't even pick anything because like nothing here is a head item except for these antlers and all these masks. Which, if you want an auto mask on your face, have one. Oh wow. Also, I traded for a hat, not a magenta one, for also with the stuff I traded with the peacock tail, which I'm pretty sure that was a way over trade, and that's why I accepted it the first time. Oh my god, that's so annoying right there. That little dot, that little pebble, little cream dot, and then it's like kind of like that, like when you take it all. Okay, actually, I like that one better because like you can still see the fluff. Like you can see the fluff with the first hat, but like it goes through the hat. Okay, I gotta be quick with finding my neck item. I'm really picking the neck item, by the way. So this won't get me very far. Hey, look, leg armor. Great. Ooh, should we get fancy leg? Oh, that's too fancy for me. Oh my god, yes. Hey guys, and my man, look, I spent over 1,000 gems on that. I'm about to do a whole video of just me playing mini games. Hey, that's it. That's what I'm going to actually do tomorrow when I get my free chat. I mean, I didn't even break any bubble chat rules, but okay, I guess. Anyways, you also want to change your colors. So let's quickly take our whole stuff we just had on. Just to color everything. Oh my god, I don't really like changing that white fluff. But if you'd like to, you can. I want to kind of like take the peacock look. Oh, actually, I kind of like that. You just gotta change those eyes. Yay! This looks great. That actually goes really well with my look, actually. Hey there. Hey guys, my main Arctic Fox thing. I hope you enjoy how to make your main look. Yeah, that's right, guys. Bye.